the Bhagavad Gita narration that when both the armies were about to start fighting, Arjuna asked, Senayor Ubhayor Madhye Ratham Sthapayamechyuda. So he's telling Krishna that, oh my dear Achyuta, please station my chariot in the middle of both the armies. Let me see who wants to fight with me. Who are the people who have gathered here to fight with us? Let me see, let me assess the strength of the enemy army. So then Krishna takes the chariot there, and then looking at his loving grandfather and respected teacher and his cousins and uncles and grandfathers and nephews, Arjuna loses his will to fight. He drops his Gandiva and then he says, hey Keshava, hey Govinda, I cannot fight. And after that, Lord Krishna starts narrating the Bhagavad Gita, trying to convince Arjuna of his duty to fight. So let's get into a little bit about the Bhagavad Gita, the importance of the Bhagavad Gita. This is the value for today. Now, I want to ask you something. Can you tell me in the chat box, what do you understand by the Vedic literatures? When we say Shastras or Vedic literatures, what do you understand by this? Vedic literatures are basically treatises of knowledge from the Vedic civilization. All kinds of knowledge are included in the Vedic literatures. Like Yantra Matruka is basically the knowledge of machines. Even those days, machines were there. Okay, so all branches of knowledge. You can see even genetics, embryology, astronomy, astrology, rocket science, every branch, medicine, every branch of knowledge you can find in the Vedic literatures. So Vedic literatures means knowledge. And actually in Sanskrit, the word Veda means knowledge. Now let's understand the divisions of the Vedic literatures. Vedic literatures have two divisions. Can you tell me what are the two divisions? Okay, so the two divisions of the Vedic literatures are Shrutis and Smritis. Shrutis are those Vedic literatures which are learned by hearing. Shruti means Shravana. Okay, Smritis are those Vedic literatures that can be understood by Smarana or remembrance. The three divisions that are under the Shrutis are Vedas, Upanishads, and the Vedanta Sutras. Right, there are 4 Vedas. How many Upanishads are there? 108 Upanishads. Okay, some of you are getting the number. How many Vedanta Sutras are there? 560 Vedanta Sutras are there. Okay, now Smritis, what are the things that come under Smritis? Can you tell? So, Puranas and Itihasas. Okay, now how many Puranas are there? 18 Puranas are there, and 18 Upapuranas are also there. Okay, there are also sub-Puranas. Now, can you tell me how many Itihasas are there? Right, 2 Itihasas. What are they? Rama and Mahabharata. Excellent. Okay. Now, there is also one more division here called as a Samhitas. Now, how Vyasadeva has classified is all the theory he has put here in the Upanishads. Where are the practicals? The practicals are the Vedas. The Vedas consist of different yajnas and methodologies, worship methodologies by which you can satisfy different devatas and get different kinds of benedictions. Puranas consider historical references. History of somebody who studied the theory and applied it practically and achieved results. They are presented in the Puranas. And 2 very important histories, he separately kept them as Itihasas. Histories of whom? Histories of whom? Two important personalities, Lord Rama and Krishna, right? So Lord Rama and Lord Krishna's histories, he put them in the Itihasas. So these are the divisions of the Vedic literatures. Now, the interesting thing is, in the Gita Mahatmya, it is mentioned Sarva Upanishado Gavo. It is mentioned that the essence of all the Vedic literatures is presented in one Vedic literature. Which one is that? It is said it is presented in the Bhagavad Gita. All the essence of all of these are presented in the Bhagavad Gita. This is like, just condensed essence of everything is presented in the Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, in today's Gita Mahatmya, you will see Lord Shiva is telling, Kimanyai Shastra Vistaraihi. What is the need for any other literature, any other Vedic literature?